no use of education system. Sorry. Sorry. So what is meant by computer? What's meant by computer? How you know about the computer applications? What are the different type of applications used in computer science? ఇవి ఖచ్చితంగా మీకు తెలియాలి. ఏ సబ్జెక్ట్ అయినా సరే వితౌట్ కంప్యూటర్ సబ్జెక్ట్ నో యూస్ ఆఫ్ ఎనీ స్పెసిఫికేషన్స్. either it may be different course area agada microbiology, BJC or BCom or BA ఏదైనా సరే. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ అసలు కంప్యూటర్ అంటే జస్ట్ కంప్యూటర్. కంప్యూటర్ is nothing but is from computer. Compute is nothing but calculate. So computer basically is an electronic device. Basically is an electronic device. So fan is also an electronic device, or some washing machine is also an electronic device. Calculator is also an electronic device. Computer is also an electronic device. What is the difference between computer and device? Means suppose calculator. Generally, computer comes from the calculator. Calculator is a basic model of calculating some mathematical operations. General operations, mathematical general operations means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, just like that. Right? Other computer is an electronic device. Calculator is also an electronic device. Computer is also is an electronic device. But the main difference is, by using this calculator, so we have to calculate only mathematical operations. So by using this computer, we can calculate any type of operations. That's the main difference. Any type of calculations. Any type means, so we can calculate mathematical operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or some type of mathematical operations, and also, so we have to calculate some logical operations also by using this computer. Logical operations means, suppose in mathematical subject, so we have to calculate some expression, some x plus y is equal to z, right? Or some more expression a plus b is equal to c. Let's just again suppose by using this computer we can calculate either first expression or second expression. So at the same time we can calculate number of operations, number of expressions. It means if here x plus y is equal to z means is an expression in mathematical notation. Expression. Second one is also an expression. So by using this computer we can calculate the combination of any type of expressions. Expression 1 or expression 2 or expression 3. Or sometimes expression 1 and expression 2 and expression 3 and so on. And the expression 1 or calculator lo manam cheyalevu. Ante kada calculator lo only just 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 ante. అలా కాకుండా some 2 into x square plus 3y cube plus z ఏదైనా చేయాలంటే మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయలేం. ఇలా కంప్యూటర్ అడ్వాంటేజెస్, నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ అడ్వాంటేజెస్. సో అడ్వాంటేజెస్ అంటే దాంట్లో నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ అడ్వాంటేజెస్ మీన్స్ we can calculate any type of calculations or any type of calculation within a fraction of a second we can get the result, right? Any amount of data we can store into computer system. There are number of advantages. So దీంట్లో ఇప్పుడు జనరల్లీ అసలు డెఫినేషన్ వాట్ ఈస్ meant by computer. First basically it's an electronic device. So which can calculate any type of calculation. This is general definition, right? Now computer is an electronic device, and by using this device it takes any amount of information. Any amount of information means you can giving some information to the computer system. So any amount of information to the computer system, right? This given information is called as some input in computer notation. There is a different type of terminology as there in different type of subjects. So in geology, it means some type of notation ఉంటుంది. అలాగే కంప్యూటర్లో notation different గా ఉంటుంది. Notation means terminology. Terminology different గా ఉంటుంది. So in computer terminology, the given information is called as input. Right? Input is nothing but you can giving some information to the computer system. That information may be any type, any size of information. Any size means any amount of information we can giving the computer. Right? And then the information is stored into computer system. Right? And then it gives the result to the user. It gives the results to the user. It means output. The result is called as output. So for this computer system, input is from, right? It stores the data. Means input is nothing but some information. Is called as some information, or in computer notation is called as a data. Data is nothing but collection of information. Collection of information is called as data. So that means in computer terminology is the collection of information is called as a data, and the data is given to the computer system by using these inputting devices. So through the inputting device, we can giving the information to the computer system. Inputting device వచ్చి number of inputting devices ఉన్నాయి in computers. And the keyboard, one of the inputting devices called as keyboard. Right? అలాగే mouse ఉంది. అలాగే pen drive or CD or DVD or magnetic tape or magnetic disk. Number of inputting devices. So by using this inputting device, we can giving the information to the computer system by using the inputting device. So in number of inputting devices, we can select as keyboard as a standard inputting device. Keyboard as standard inputting device. And input annamante, so we can giving some information through keyboard, right? So keyboard nunchi information is given. The given information is stored into computer system. So generally ఇది computer system. దీన్ని ఏమంటామంటే CPU means central processing unit. ఏమో కంప్యూటర్స్ లో ఉన్నారు ఇందులో కరెక్ట్ central processing unit, CPU. So in this CPU, the given information is stored into the CPU, and again the CPU can be divided into three parts. Again itself is divided into three parts called ALU, right? Memory and control unit. Three parts. Inputting device is also inputting part of the inputting part of the system is called as input. And ఇప్పుడు చూడండి మీకు ఎన్ని పార్ట్స్ వచ్చినాయి 1 2 3 parts. So means the computer system can be divided into three parts. Inputting device, CPU and outputting device. Three parts. Only it can be divided into three parts. Input, CPU and output. Right? Again, CPU itself it can be divided into three parts: ALU, memory and control unit. Right? And then results given to the user by using this outputting device results వచ్చేది ఏంటంటే number of screen, computer screen is generally called as VDU, visual display unit. The screen officially in computer terminology, the screen is called as VDU, visual display unit. VDU screen, or the output is directly given on the printer. Printer is also outputting device, or the output is stored into some CD. CD is also outputting device, or the output is stored into some pen drive. Pen drive is also outputting device. ఎక్కడ ఇన్పుటింగ్ డివైస్ అన్నమాట అదొకలా అంటే సిస్టమ్ కి ఇన్పుట్ ఇచ్చేటప్పుడు ఇట్ యాక్సెస్ ద ఇన్పుటింగ్ డివైస్ whereas the output stored into computer some other device, then the device acts as a